Will there be a war between India and Pakistan? The answer is moderately yes, moderately no. First, why there is a sudden tension between India and Pakistan? First is the Jupiter transit, next is the Rahu Ketu transit. Whenever Jupiter transits from one Rashi to another, it moves into a fast speed, especially when there is a degree between 29 to 0 and 0 to 1. And this can trigger a lot of tensions and lots of churning will happen. The next important thing is India has it's going to start the new period of Mars from September. Whenever a new period starts, it can throw up new challenges. And Mars being the Karaka of war, certainly it's not going to be a peaceful relationship with the border neighborhood countries. For instance, tension with Bangladesh and tension with Pakistan. So when will all these tension come down? First, there will be a lot of fights between India and Pakistan. It can exceed little bit more, and Pakistan will also throw up a lot of surprises of hitting back to India. As the sun moves into the Karkataka Rasi close to the Indian Independence Day, slowly the war will come down. And will the war will completely shut down? No, the war is not going to completely shut down. As after September, with the start of Mars period, India certainly has to show its power to the neighborhood countries. So they will try to maintain the supremacy of military or navy. So they would like to show their power. So for Modi, it is once again something similar to Balakot. Now they are not going to keep quiet. For Modi, it is a way of taking up the challenge. And for Pakistan, they should know whom to challenge. And for Modi, it's going to be another Balakot. He will try to prove a point. So the Indian-Pakistan war is not going to come into a full-fledged war, but certainly the answering back by India will happen. India will have to strengthen the borders, and Pakistan is not going to keep quiet. And along with Pakistan, Bangladesh can also join. So for India, it will be a challenging moment, and Pakistan, it will be a challenging moment in different manner. This is Jayashree Astrologer talking about Indian-Pakistan war. Thank you.